Welcome to our educational channel. So in this video from the quantitative aptitude, let us see the topic partnership. So in this partnership, let us see some basic concepts first. Then we'll see the examples, problems, and some examination point of view questions also we'll see. Right? First we'll see the definition. The partnership is two or more than two persons run a business jointly. So one small definition I just typed here. They are called partners. Okay, who is the joining and running the business, right? The persons we can call as partners. And the deal is known as partnership. And it is the two types. So one is the simple partnership and one is the compound partnership. So based on these two statements only, we have the problems and how to apply the problems also we'll see one by one. First we'll see the simple partnership. When you come to the simple partnership, if the capitals of the partnership, because to run the business they must invest some money. Okay, if the capitals of the partnerships are invested for the same period, okay, the same period, if they invest all together, the two people are more than two, the same certain period, if they invested the amount, that type is come under simple partnership. Okay, for example, two persons A and B, they joined, they start the business, they both of them invested for 2 years. Even A is invested for 2 years, B also invested for 2 years. Now what are the income, whatever the profit they'll get, they must share according to the equal based on the investment. That is a simple partnership. And when you come to the compound partnership, the capitals of the partners are invested for the different length of time. Okay, different length of time means different period. When you come to this, so different length of time, that is come under compound partnership. Most of the questions in examination point of view, they'll ask only the compound partnership, because simple partnership is just like ratio problems. Okay, but compound partnership only, in this type only they ask the questions. Here is different length of time. So A and B are two persons. A invested for 1 year and B started after 1 year, or B invested for 2 years. So certain different length of the time period, and same investment may be different, but the same period is a different period. It means the time. So this type of come under the compound partnership. Okay, when the investments are for different times, then equal capitals are calculated for unit time burst. Then we can find out the ratios. Based on that, we'll see the problems one by one. Okay, and few more things. The partner who manages the business is called working partner. Okay, in the questions they will use the terms. Working partner is the managers who manage the business is a working partner. Just only one who simply invests the money is called sleeping partner. Okay, working partner and sleeping partner. The terms meaning you must know. Who manage the business is working partner. Just to keep the money, who invest the money in the business, he'll call the sleeping partner. So he'll not take care about the business. Yes, these are every examination question. Generally, the set of compound partnerships questions only there ask. We can see that how to convert into simple partnership and use the problems. Right? Let us see one by one. Now let us start with some simple problems. Here is the question. A and B started a business in a partnership with 50,000 and 60,000 respectively. That means A invested 50,000 and B invested is 60,000. Okay. A is also working partner and gets 10% of the total profit for looking after the business. So he is a working partner. So he is also working partner. He is taking care of the business. So he is getting 10% of the total profit for looking after the business. How much is share of B less than the share of A in the profit of 55,000? So if they'll get the total profit of 55,000, so what is the share of B less than the share of A? So you must know individual share first. Okay, this ratio of the two capitals. First, any problem is given, you have to make into ratio of the two capitals. So ratio of the two capitals is, here is 50,000 is to 60,000. Okay, this is the ratio, and you can simplify this. If you simplify, just 4 zeros cancel, then 5 is to 6. Okay, this is the ratio of the two capitals. But A gets 10% of the total profit for the taking care of the business, right? So income received by A first. Income, that is direct income, 10% of the total profit. So income received by A. So income received by A. That is the 10% of total profit. So 10% of 55,000, right? You can take that 10% of 55,000, that is a 5,500. Okay, 10%, 10 by 100 into 55,000, 5,500. So rest of the profit, because 5,500 is fixed for A. So rest of the profit, is total 55,000. In this 55,000, 5,500 is subtract. This is the remaining. That is 49,500. 55,000 minus 5,500. 55,000 minus 5 is 50 minus 500. 49,500 if you subtract. Now from this amount profit, A and B will get the share of profit in the ratio of their investment. Now 49,500 only we should share among A and B in the ratio 5:6. That is the condition. Right, now let us see. The ratio is 5:6. Then direct I'm writing. So the profit received by A is 49,500 into A ratio is 5. So 5 by total ratio, 5 plus 6, 11. We already learned in the ratios chapter, already explained there. That topic also is there in our channel, you can go through. Account ratio to divide some amount, that A person's ratio divided by total ratio into that how much you should distribute. Now this value is 22,500, just do calculation. And B will get same out of 49,500, his ratio is 6 by 11 total ratio. Okay, you can calculate this also, 27,000. Okay, just 11 table you can cancel this. 27,000 is, so 22,500 for A and 27,000 for B. But A already got account to 10% of this extra. This is 5,500. Then total for A. That means a total share of A. So total share of A is equals to this 22,500 plus previous 5,500. So this is his share now. So there is 28,000. Yeah, now the completely according to this, the complete share of the A is 28,000 and complete share of the B is 27,000. Right, now they asked how much difference. So how much is the share of B is less than A. So 1,000, right, compared to B. How much B is less? So is less is from 28,000 minus 27,000. So rupees 1,000 is the difference. So 1,000 is share is less. Okay, this is the method. And same type problem, just one simple short method we can do like this. Just also show. So if you want to share of the B actually 55,000 is the total profit, right? In that 6 is ratio by 11 into 10% is getting A, means for him is only 90%. So 90%, if you remove the percentage symbol, 90 by 100. So 90 by 100. This you can calculate, directly get rupees 27,000. Right? And share of the income of A is remaining. From this remaining is for share of income of A. If you want A, and from this total 55,000 minus B share 27,000, you subtract this. That is obviously 28,000. Okay, this short method you can do in case they are getting in some profit. Yes, is also there. And B is 27,000, A is 28,000. So difference is 1. So difference is 1,000, means B is getting 1,000 less than A, right? Okay, this is type. Let us see. These only 2 persons are business they are doing. More than 2 persons and with a different time period. We'll see other problems now. Now in this problem, there are the 3 partners. Okay, the partners A, B, C start a business. Conditions are given. twice the investment of A is equals to thrice the capital of B. Same, 3 times the investment of B, capital or investment, same. And the capital of B is 4 times the capital of C, right? And C is independent. A is depending on B and B is depending on C. So this problem, let us start with C. C is capital. Let C is capital is equals to rupees X. Okay, let be X it is now. Then B's capital becomes. Then B's capital according to the problem. You want to see here. B is 4 times the capital of C. So B is equals to 4x. Okay, C and B capitals we got. Now from the first line, twice the investment of A. Twice the investment of A. So 2 times A's capital. That is equals to, okay, twice the investment of A is equals to thrice the capital of B. 3 times capital of B. B capital is again 4x. Yes, this you can calculate. So we can cancel this 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 3 into 2 6x. So A's capital is equal to 6x. Okay, x 4x and 6x. This is a CBA. Now we can write the ratio. So the ratio. Always once the ratio is confirmed, then we can divide the share. And ratio of A is to B is to C. That is 6x is to 4x is to x. If we cancel this, then 6 is to 4 is to 1 it is. X we can write 1 into x. Okay, if x are get cancelled, then 6 is to 4 is to 1. Okay, same term we can separate it. So 6 is to 4 is to 1 is the ratio. According to this, we can divide the share. Okay, that is simple. Now if you want A's share is, A ratio is 6 by total ratio 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11 into how much we should distribute the profit. How much it is? 2,97,000. So 2,97,000. 2,97,000 into 6 by 11. Okay, you can calculate individually, you'll get. So I calculate this, we get 1,62,000. That is the A share. And similarly B's share individually. They are asking find the share of each of them. Okay, now B is 4 by 11 into same 2,97,000. Okay, with 11 table we can cancel that. We can get for the B 10,108. This is 1 lakh. No, this is a same 1,08,000 for this. Now because it's a 6 times, it's a 4 times, you will get more. And C share. And C share is only 1 by 11 into 2,97,000. It's directly 11 table. 11 2s are 22, 7, 77, 3 zeros. 2,27,000, right? 27,000 is the C share, and B is 1,08,000 is 1,62,000. If you add these three members' share, you get again the total how much profit that will get as is, right? And the main thing is we need to find out the ratio according to their investment, according to their capitals. Then we can divide as per the ratio we can divide the profit, right? And when the time periods are different, we'll see one sum. So in this problem, we have the two concepts. ABC hired a meadow for 2,934.60. So 2,934 rupees 60 paisa. A puts in 10 oxen for 20 days, B 30 oxen for 8 days, and C 16 oxen for 9 days. Find the rent paid by each. So in general, who's using the more days, they must pay the more rent. Okay, according to that, we can take the ratio first. So when you want to find out the ratio for this, so ratio of rent to be paid by A, B, C, that is equals to, so A is using 10 oxen for 20 days. So 10 into 20 is to, B is 30 oxen for 8 days. So 30 into 8, because whichever is increasing, even oxen are increasing also, they must pay the more rent. And C is 16 into 9. Okay, 16 oxen for 9 days, so 16 into 9. Now this value we can simplify to find out in terms of ratio. Same number you can cancel the both in all the places. 10, 30, 16. Okay, 2 table, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, and 2 8s are 16. Same table you can cancel. And again 20, 30, 8. Okay, 5 into 20 is 100. Yeah, if we calculate this, 30 into 40, 120. Again 8 into 9. You can cancel in this way, or just normal simplification also you can do. 72. And more, 4 table, cancel this. 25 is to 30 is to 18. Yes, 4 table if you can cancel. Finally 25 is to 30 is to 18. 30 and 18 are in 2 table you can cancel, but 25 is not. Same number should cancel in the 3, then only come under ratio. Now this is the ratio. According to this ratio, rent should be paid. So rent to be paid by according to this. Then A's rent is, A ratio is 25 by total ratio. 25 plus 30, 75 plus 8 is 73, into how much you should distribute the rent according to this, 2934.60. Yes. Simple. So you can calculate this, you get the answer. So for this you'll get 1005. I already calculated, showing answer. And B is B ratio, 30 by same, 73 into 2934.60. Just you can calculate this, you get 1206. Just I use calculator. And for the C, how much? Ratio is 18 by 73 into same 2934.60. And simplify this, we'll get 723.60. So do one thing, after getting A and B, you can add this both, and by subtracting total also you get same option. After doing A and B, if you want C share, from the total 2934.60, from this you can subtract sum of these two numbers, 1005 plus 1206. Even they will get same, 723.60. Or you can do the ratio also, you will get the same. Right, not a problem. So the main thing is you need to find out the ratio in particular way. This is the direct problems. Now we'll see about the time period when one person is joined some months later, then how the investment distributed. Let us see now. So here is the question with the time based. A began a business. A is a person, began the business with 2100 and is joined afterwards by B with 3600. So after certain months, B joined with 3600 investment. After how many months did B join? If the profit at the end of the year are divided equally. The profit is divided equally means after how many months B joined. So this partnership concept, the investment into the number of months must be equal to another person investment into number of months also. Okay, that is the rule as per the partnership. And suppose, so in this question, okay, suppose B join. So let us take B joins after certain period is joined. So let B joins after X months. Let us take after X months. Let us take this. But how many months did B join after the profit at end of the year? So at the end of the year, profit is divided equally. So if B joined after X months means, and he invested for 12 minus X months. So B invested. Then, for example, B joined after X months. So B invested. So invested for, that is a simple. Total number of months are 12. 12 minus X months. Right? And A already kept for 1 year. So A is 12 months as usual. So therefore we can write like this. So 2100 is the investment of A into A invested for 12 months. That should be equals to B invested 3600 is the time period is 12 minus X months. Yes, because already they said divided equally. Now we can calculate this, we'll get the answer. That's simple. And simplify this 2100 into 12. Okay, or else you can simplify this 3600 into 12 minus 3600 into x. 3600x you can take, and this one calculate. This is same 2100 into 12. So now we have to simplify this. So from this 3600 x take left, so 3600x, these two terms. Okay, if I multiply this 43,200 minus this, if we can multiply to 25,200, take this side and simplify this, same how much, 18,000. That is then x is equals to, you can simplify how much, 18,000 divided by and 3,600, that is equals to 5. That means, so B joined, X month, we took X after X months, so B joined after 5 months, because already we took X months, so X value got 5, so B joined after 5 months. So main thing in this is the making this step. Okay, that is investment into number of months must be equal in the both the cases, in these two. Okay, the investment is 12 months and this is for 12 minus X months, right? And this condition, and let us see a few more problems in different way. So now in this question, question number 5, Dilip and Manohar started a business by investing 1 lakh and 1,50,000. Find the share of the each out of a profit of 24,000. Okay, simple problem which I am showing. So already the ratio, so between the ratio among them, ratio between shares of these two people. So ratio of shares of Dilip and Manohar. So D is T, I'm taking, and this is a 1 lakh is to 1,50,000. Right? Simplify this. So once you simplify this, you'll get the ratio is, and 3 zeros cancel, 100 and 150. So 2 is to 3. Okay, 50 table, 52 is a 53. So 2 is to 3 is the ratio. Find the share of the each, they're asking. So Dilip's share, and Dilip's share is, Dilip ratio is 2 by total ratio 2 plus 3, 5 into how much you should distribute, that is 2,400 is the profit. This you need to calculate. Okay, that is 9,600 calculated. And Manohar's share, same. And to find out Manohar's share, and his ratio is 3 by total ratio 5 into 24,000 is the profit. Calculate this. That is one thing, from total 24,000 if you subtract 9,600 also you'll get, because only two people. Even you can apply the ratio also, you get the same 14,400, right? In two different ways. Same 24,000 is the total profit minus Dilip's profit. If you subtract, remaining is this. Even you can add this both the profit, you'll get again 24,000, right? This is the, for checking purpose you can apply, right? If the three people are sharing with different time, we'll see one question. So here is, in this problem, Sanjay and Raju started a business and invested 20,000 and 25,000 respectively. After 4 months, Raju left and Naresh joined by investing 15,000. At the end of the year, so in every problem we need to see how many days that business is running. So at the end of the year, there is a profit of 4,600. What is the share of Naresh? So to find out the share, we need to write like this. So individually time we should find out. So ratio of shares of these three members. So Sanjay, Raju and Naresh. So these three members ratio we need to find out. So for that, okay, let us see now what you take. So Sanjay says a business's investment is 20,000. Okay, his investment is 20,000 into number of months. His in business is 12 months. Because it's per year. Year means convert into the months and everything. Is to Raju investment is 25,000. But after 4 months he left. That means his investment is for only 4 months. Is to Naresh investment is 15,000. After 4 months Raju left and Naresh joined. So remaining 8 months. So into 8, because out of 1 year, after 4 months he joined means 12 minus 4, that is 8. Right? Now this you can simplify, you'll get the ratio. Okay, that is a simple problem. 20,000 into 12 is to 25,000 into 4 is to 50,000 into 8. You can cancel this 3 zeros. Then 20 into 12 is to 25 into 4 is to 15 into 8. Okay, calculate this. And 12 into 20 or 20 into 12, 240 is to 100 is to 15 into 8, it's a 120. And this you can simplify. 12 is to 5 is to 6. Okay, just a 20 table I cancel this. 12 is to 5 is to 6 is the ratio. Now what is the share of the Naresh, they are asking. So in this, share of the Naresh, to find out his share, Naresh ratio is 6. Okay, not all the answers, only share of Naresh. To find out his Naresh ratio is 6 by total ratio. 12 plus 5 plus 6 is 23 into how much? Into 4,000. Yeah, profit is given, no? 4,600. 4,600. So divide this. So you'll get rupees 1,200. Cancel. Okay, 23 table I cancel. 23 ones are 23 twos are 200 into 6 is 1,200. So share of the Naresh is rupees 1,200. Right? So these are the partnership questions, and mostly the main step is investment with the time based. The ratios you can make it clearly. Once you can frame the ratio clearly, then sharing is simple. According to the ratio and proportions topic also we discussed. Okay, these are the problems, and for more videos also you can go through our channel, same in this website.